to be promoted.
Thank you very much. So,
I'm afraid that he's going to open the savannah and it's going to spill
I've done that.
on your feet.
No, man.
Give it to Zash. Give it to Zash.
No, hold on, man.
You got the
Too much food. He has too much food. Check out all this maputi. It's crazy. Also, he wants twice this much. 3 for you and 1 to share. You don't have to share your maputis. Don't stress about it.
Yes, girl, I got you, bro.
One. But including tomorrow, so only pack 2.
Alright, 2 of them.
Chimanimani is a holiday destination, beyond no doubt. So tomorrow we're going to jump into our truck and drive for almost 19 kilometers and drop at Haroni.
We are day 1 about to start the Mbira trail, a 5-day trail in the Chimanimani mountains. Let's see how this goes. The rain is coming.
Taking time away from, all of that busy schedule and all of that work. Appreciate being here in the mountains. Misty mountains. A lot of great scenery.
Yes, sir. We're right here in Chimanimani Mountains, just above Southern Lakes, adjacent to Terrace Cave here. So after this climb, we're going to camp at Terrace Cave.
Pretty intense climb, a lot of loose rocks and some river crossings.
Welcome to Terrace Cave, and these are the activities. And very soon we are going into the tunnels. Seeing is believing.
We are in the tunnels underneath Terry's cave. This is amazing.
Yeah, we're just strolling through Terry's tunnel. So it's healing water.
Healing water. Holy water.
Colin's just checking the path out, seeing if there's a blockage. There he is. We're watching the sun set over this vast mountain range.
Chimanimani is a wonder, believe me. We have to add it to the 7 wonders. Chimanimani on its own, I love the nature, People should come check out the flora right here. Crazy.
Oh my gosh, bring that stuff back to me.
I thought.
What is it?
Mixed and mustard water. Produced by me. Mixed and mustard by Tags. One and up in double is the one.
So what should I say? We are climbing to the top of Pesa.
Yeah, tomorrow we are going for Pesa. Yo, it has been crazy, hectic, very straining. It was training, yeah?
Yeah.
Was it?
Big day, we are going to summit Pesa. It's now in the clouds, can't even see it, but super excited. It's looking amazing.
Pave kutondirasisa chisidzo cherudo pananga mbochikwanisa chisidzo cherudo pananga mbochikwanisa.
The water is like, yeah, it's healing. I witnessed this.
Now, there's something in my shoe, but my socks they've had a swim. We are starting our ascent into the clouds, 1,000 and something meters, I'm not sure, but I think we're going to 2,600 today.
Scary, bro. Things just got crazy. Scary as hell. I don't know. I have to win. I need to be home.
Wow. Let's go look left.
Slippery!
Yes.
My guy, thank you.
Sure.
Peza!
Yes, sir.
Champion!
Peak of
Zash is okay.
Zimbabwe and Mozambique. Mount Peza.
Made it! Peza!
Champion.
Peza.
Top of the mountain. Top of the highest. See? This is not for the dead. You gotta be fit.
Gotta be strong.
Gotta be strong. Champion!
Champion!
Me, I tell-